Hello student everyone, welcome to NIRS channel. In the last class we have seen 8th main of the exercise number 10.2. Let's move to the next example. 9th one. In figure xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents. In given diagram xy and x dash y dash are the two parallel tangents. And next what they given to a circle with a center O, of the circle with the center O and another tangent AB. See, another tangent AB here is there. Another tangent AB touches at the point C. Another tangent AB with point of the contact C. This is the point of the contact C. Intersecting XY at A. Now intersecting xy at a point A. This tangent is intersecting the parallel line xy at the point A and x dash y dash at a point B. And this line is intersecting the x dash y dash at the point B. Prove that. Now what you have to prove that? Angle AOB. See where it is that? Angle AOB. This angle you have to prove that how much? 90 degree. This angle you have to prove the angle 90 degree. Angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. You have to prove that now. Now see first carefully see what they given. Then what you have to prove. Then how to prove here. Yes. See the solution. Solution. See in figure. See all the given points. No need to write. I will do the direct here. See in the solution. Join OC. Little bit do the construction. Join OC. You have to join. See the careful diagram. XY and x dash y dash are parallel. XY and x dash y dash are parallel. Now see with O as a center. Then what about the PQ? Yes, PQ is the diameter. Then PO and OQ are the what? Radius. Now diameter is the 2 times of the radius. So PO is equal to OQ. These are the radius. Then what about the PA and AC? Now these two are the tangents, correct? The tangents drawn from the external point of the circles are equal. We learned that in the previous class now. Now PA is equal to AC. Clear? Then see. What about the OC here? OC is also a radius. Correct? OC is also a radius. I hope you understood. OC is also radius. It means that OP is equal to OC. OC is equal to OQ. These are the radius of the circle. Now see, we'll take one by one. Can you tell me angle this plus angle this plus angle this? Sum of these all angles gives how much here? 180 degree. Clear? Now see here. PACO is the quadrilateral. There are how many triangles are there? 2 triangles. Correct? Now first you have to make these two angles are equal. Similar. These two angles are equal. Because we are going to prove that the sum of this angle plus this angle is equal to 90 degree. So see how to prove that this angle is equal to this angle here. Now by taking these two triangles are congruent. Now what is the congruent triangles? Those triangles having the same shape and the same size. Clear? Now see, in a triangle APO. Yes, I will write here. In triangle APO and triangle ACO. And triangle ACO. Now see what are the 3 equal elements. To make the congruent you have to need the 3 equal elements now. Clear? Now see AP is equal to AC. See that in this triangle AP is equal to in this triangle AC. Why? Because tangents drawn from the external point of the circles are equal. Correct? Now AP is equal to AC. Why? Tangents from point A. From the point A. Correct. Tangents from the point A. This is equation 1. Or no need equation. This is a AP is equal to AC. In this triangle, this side is equal to this side. Next, PO is equal to OC. Correct? Or OP is equal to OC. Why? Yes, radii of circle. Radii of circle. Correct? Radii of circle. Then one more element. AO is equal to what? AO. Because AO is common to the both triangle. AO is equal to AO. Why? Common side. Now therefore triangle APO is congruent to triangle AOC. By which rule? Side, side, side. Correct? Three sides are equal in this triangle to the corresponding triangle. So both triangles are congruent by the SS congruent criteria. Clear? Now come to the next term. Now these two triangles are congruent means what about the angle? This and this one here. I will write that name of the angle. Angle AOP. Angle AOP is equal to angle AOC. AOC. Why? Tell me that why that these two angles are equal? By CPCT rule. By which rule? By CPCT rule. CPCT stands for corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Now these two triangles are congruent means these angles are also equal. Now this is equation 1. Clear? Now see the similar. See here also tangents are there. Now QB and CB are the two tangents. Correct? Now see OC and OQ are also radius of the circle. OB is the common side. Can you say that both triangles are congruent? Yes or not? Both triangles are also congruent here. Then what you can say that directly here? COB is equal to angle BOQ. Can you write or not now? So what is that angle? BOC. Similar, I will write here. Similar angle BOC is equal to angle BOC is equal to angle BOQ. Angle BOQ. Correct. This is equation 2. Then add all these angles here. Now it gives that how much here? A straight angle means 180 degree. Correct. So add the angle AOP. Angle AOP plus angle AOC plus angle COB plus angle BOQ is equal to how much here? 180 degree because of straight angle. I'll write here because straight angle. Correct. Then see that here AOP. Yes. See angle AOP plus angle AOC. Angle AOP means which angle? Angle AOC. Both angles are equal, are there? Angle AOP means angle AOC. So here instead of that AOP, can we write AOC? Correct, because both angles are equal. So angle AOC plus angle AOC plus. Similar. See here angle. One more angle. BOC means angle, what is that? BOQ. Correct? BOQ means what is that angle? BOC. Now COB or BOC both are same here. Therefore angle BOC plus angle BOQ means what is that here angle? BOC is equal to 180 degree. Correct? Now AOC plus AOC 2 times of the angle AOC plus BOC 2 times of the angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Clear? Now see that. Now 2. Here also 2. Take the 2 is the common here. So what is the remaining angle? AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Now see the diagram. Angle AOC means angle AOC plus angle BOC. BOC means what is this angle plus this angle means what is the whole angle here? Angle AOC, correct? This angle plus this angle. This angle plus this angle means what is the name of the whole angle? AOC. Now 2 times of the angle AOC, correct? Not AOC, AOB is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle AOB is equal to 180 to it from that denominator. Therefore angle AOB is equal to how much here? 2 1s are 2 9s are 18 are 0 as it is. Now how much here? 90 degree. So what they ask the question to prove here? AOB is a 90 degree. You proved or not? So what you have write here? Hence proved. I hope you understood. Very simple is there. By using the tangents property, you have to prove this one. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.